Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another price action analysis which I use in taking this entry right now that you can see. And as you can see, I'm currently in profit. Okay, so I want to show you guys how I was able to catch this entry and my entry patterns, and as you can see why I set my TP at this area. All right, so before I took this entry, I did my analysis starting from the daily, all right, which I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. Okay, so I'm going to head up to the daily time frame now. So as you can see, this is the daily time frame, and as you can see, this analysis I've previously shared it on my channel. Okay, and I'm still working with the analysis. Okay, so initially in my video, I will post the link to that video in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you check it out. All right, and if you're watching from TikTok, you check my previous videos. Okay, you are going to see this analysis I did earlier. All right, previously in that video, we are in the area of this market. All right, so I said that if we can be able to break out of this trend line, all right, if we can break out of this channel, that's when I'll be looking for up entry. That's when I'll be looking for buy entry. Okay, previously the analysis was giving us was giving us a selling opportunity in the market. Okay, so initially I said that the market will still move down to this trend line, or it will break above our break above this current trend line now that is here. Right, is on the 4 hours time frame. So if it breaks above this trend line, I'll be looking for buy. All right, so today I was checking the market and I discovered that the trend line has already been broken above. Right, so I saw this on the 4 hours time frame. Then I went down to the 15-minute time frame to check it out again, to check my entry method, to check if I can take entry from the 15-minute time frame, but I was unable to see any entry. So I went down to the 5-minute time frame. All right, so here on the 5-minute time frame, now here on the 5 minutes time frame, I saw there was two structure here in the market, right? So previously trade was around this area, right? So because of these two structures in the market, I immediately knew that price is going to come to this area and look for support. All right, so there's a support area here that price is going to bounce from. All right, but if it fails to bounce, then I'll be looking out for the next opportunity in the market, which is around this area. All right, so when price got to this area, I saw that price was in a very good area in the market, so I took one position initially. All right, then I went further to confirm the zone. Right, I confirmed the zone that this is a strong support and resistance zone. Right, so what I did was I wait for price to go up a little bit. All right, then I add more positions. All right, because I was sure then that the market is going to go up, so I add more positions, and as you can see, the market is skyrocketing. I'm targeting for this area here, right? So this is the 4 hours resistance zone. All right, so as you can see, this is a very strong resistance zone here. So before price will break that zone, is going to be hard. All right, so I set my TP to that area so that whenever price get there, I will be out of the market. All right, so this is how you do your analysis. This is how you analyze and make your setup. All right, now the major thing there is just the risk management. All right, if you know your plans, all right, if you have a setup, the major thing is going to be the risk. Okay, so if you can, now once you get your setup, you want to make sure that you risk what you can afford to lose. All right, you risk something that if you lose it, you are not going to become emotional. All right, so that is what I did. I was willing to raise $2 here, and that's what I did. All right, and you can see I will be making up to $11, and I'm risking $2. Okay, so this is how you approach the market. This is how you do these things. Okay, and as you can see, guys, this strategy was shared to my Telegram channel. For those of you who have not yet joined, I will advise you check the description of this video. You're going to see the Telegram link there. Make sure to join us. All right, every time I see a short setup like this, I will share with you guys the signal. Okay, so make sure to join, and you're enjoying these profitable signals from time to time. Okay, and I also offer mentorship. All right, so if you're in the group, you get my daily updates, my tips on forex trading. All right, so make sure you join the community, guys. Make sure you join us, because in that channel you are going to gain a lot of things. All right, apart from the signal, you gain a lot of information from there. Okay, so guys, I don't want to make the video too long. All right, I just said I should quickly share with you guys this vital information. It's going to be of help to someone there. All right, someone that will pick one or two value from what I've just said. All right, so I will be ending the video now. All right, before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy. For those of you who trade boom and crash, I have a powerful strategy that will help you grow your small accounts, even if you're a beginner. All right, it doesn't mean even if you're a beginner, the strategy is explained in a very simple way that you can use it to trade. All right, and you are going to make money surely with this strategy. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me, and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you.